I would like to share with you how to make a picture with lines. First, I chose a dark colored piece of paper because I'm going to be using some bright colored lines and I want them to really show up. So don't forget to write your name on your paper. First thing is always the same, write your name. Maybe ask a grown-up for help. Then decide which way do you want to turn your paper. Do you want to turn it up and down like a doorway? Or do you want to turn it side to side like a table? I'm going to turn mine up and down. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick a line. I've already cut some lines out of different colored paper. I notice this line is perfect. It goes all the way from the top to the bottom. I'm going to use this glue bottle. First I have to pick the dry glue off the top. Then I have to twist this orange cap. If you need help with the glue bottle, just ask a teacher or an adult. I give it a couple of shakes and then dot, dot, not a lot. I want to add little dots of glue, not big blobs of glue. When I'm done using the glue bottle, I twist the cap to make sure it's closed. Now I need to decide where I'm going to place this. So I want this line to go up and down vertically. Right here next to the edge of my paper, I'm going to try to make sure it's even with the top and even with the bottom, and it goes straight along that edge. Alright, now I can continue and make another vertical line right next to it. I think that would be good to maybe have more than one. I think I'm going to do another orange one right here. So I'm going to use my glue stick. I'm just going to go ahead and take the cap off, make sure there's a little glue sticking out, and then rub that glue right across the line. And then I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and put it right next to it. But notice how the line is not going over it. It's just right next to it. I'm leaving a little space. Again, I'm trying to get it straight. Now the next line, I think I want to do a horizontal line. But I notice this one is way too long. So I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors. And I'm going to cut this one a little bit smaller. And then I think I'm going to have another one just like it right underneath. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on that one. This one I think I want it to go at the top of the paper, right here along this top edge. This is a horizontal line. It is going across. I'm not laying it across the orange lines. I'm putting it right next to them. And then I just need to press that down and make sure that's going to stay. So now I'm going to continue filling in the paper. I may use some other colors. And I need to decide, do I want horizontal or do I want vertical lines? I think now I'm going to cut some smaller pieces of red, and I think I want maybe 3 of them to look the same. And I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 side by side right here underneath my white lines. Now I have a little space right here, so I think I'm going to do some more horizontal lines. I'm going to do some green ones. That's a little bit too large, so let me cut that down. And again, I like to do more than one in a row because I think it looks nice to have similar colors and it kind of helps fill in the paper. And I'll glue that down and I'll just continue adding more and more lines until the whole page is filled. Don't forget to put the lid on your glue when you're done.